Welcome back, Teach a Man to Fish channel, and today we're going to be talking about preventing blossom rot. And I don't get wrapped around the axle over the whole organic thing, but typically blossom rot in whether it's squash, zucchini, tomatoes, hot peppers, bell peppers, you name it. Typically it's a result of a calcium deficiency in the soil. So the way I prevent blossom rot is, as it's going into the ground, I put a pinch of calcium nitrate in. Helps prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes. Doesn't just work for tomatoes, it does it for everything. Puts the calcium into the soil. Some people use eggshells, but eggshells will not do anything for this year's crop. The calcium isn't ready to be absorbed or taken up into the plant until it's degraded enough to go into the soil and then into the plant for it to use. So this is a quick way to do it, and I'll show you how. I just put a pinch in each hole, mix it up, and that should be good enough for the plant. So these are the peppers that I started as seeds back in February. It's been a long, cold winter, and it doesn't want to give up this year. This is 2018, so it's taken forever for the frost to stop happening, but I think I'm safe now. This is actually the end of April. We're starting May tomorrow, so it's pretty late for Virginia. So that's where I started these. This is the first time I'm pulling out any of my seedlings, and since they've been in there for so long, I'm a little bit worried about root lock, but that actually looks pretty good. So start a hole. Pinch of the calcium nitrate. I use a 4-month feed. Mix it in, get my hole set up, throw the plant in. Just that easy. Grow well. So that's the video. I said it would be a quick one. Preventing blossom rot. Calcium's the best way to do it. And I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed the channel. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please click like, subscribe, and see the future videos that are coming out.